I'm out at the chicken coop. Chickens haven't been out yesterday. They were out some the day before, but I wasn't feeling well, so I forgot. I didn't even think about it, so I hate to say it. But these guys are like maniacs when you let them out, so I'm going to see if I can capture it again. Anybody? I think there's another one in there. Not coming out? Oh, how pretty you're getting. Look at how pretty you're getting. Not coming out? Oh, there's two of you in there. You got the brown one, which I forget is the name, and the silver marlin, I think that is, up there. But maybe we'll come out. Come on out. Usually whatever one does, they all do. Not quite as much as ducks, but yeah, close to it. Nothing quite as frightening as seeing a chicken flying right at you.